Welcome to another TIPShot video from TIP Technologies. Today, we're going to look at approving criteria in the in-process inspection module. There are many assembly processes and inspection steps at your facility. When you're creating an inspection plan, you want to be thorough. You need to ensure it's correct so your company's product is assembled and inspected properly. But it's the end of the day and you're tired, so you head home. You realize that you did make one mistake. Well, you can fix that when you return from your vacation. You can also review the other settings before asking Susan, another quality engineer, to review your work. Unfortunately, Susan mistakenly believes you are done. She reviews all the criteria you've been working on, approves it, and it's released to the production floor with your name as the author on each one. Embarrassing to say the least. Time and money are wasted as non-complying hardware is being built, all while you are blissfully unaware. How can you keep work saved in a queue and OK it for review once you're ready? TIPQA's in-process inspection module can manage that easily. Let's see how. Let's log into TIPQA Web. First, enter your user ID and password. It will open to this, the TIPQA dashboard. Clicking on the module icon at the upper left corner of the screen will display the modules that you currently have active at your facility. Since we're working in in-process inspection, we'll click that link. The in-process inspection window will open in the center of the screen. This is the menu item list for IP. This works for both specific and common criteria. We'll be looking at common. This is the common criteria screen. Decide on how it should be configured. The inspection type, is it going to be variable or attribute? Are you going to require measurement to be made? Determining the sampling? Machine data if applicable? Preload data capture and any required tools, just as you would for any criteria. But first, let's make some more room on the screen. That's done by clicking this icon. That causes the module list to slide off to the left side of the screen. You can get it back by clicking it again. That's better. Here's what the screen looks like now with the module list out of the way. Now, how do you activate the setting to limit criteria approval until you're ready? The IP Global Setup Parameters is where you'll find the answer. Down here, this checkbox sets the parameter that controls what we're looking for. When checked, it allows criteria to be set to ready prior to being approved. I've clicked over to the Review Approval screen. When Set Ready for Approval is activated in the IP Global Setup Parameters, this is what you'll see. The criteria record has a completion button that when clicked will record your user ID and the date and time you clicked. Note the Mark as Approved button is now active. The author is now signaling that they are ready for the approval process. It becomes visible to be approved. Once reviewed and accepted, the approval button is clicked and the new criteria becomes active and will be presented to the inspectors on your shop floor. Thank you for watching this TIPShot on in-process criteria approval. To learn more about TIPQA, the QMS software solution, please visit us at www.tiptech.com.